Today, we're going to tackle a common problem many Windows users face, deleting files and folders that just won't go away. Whether it's because they're in use, corrupted, or just stubborn, we'll walk you through several methods to get rid of those undeletable items. So let's dive right in. First, let's try the simplest method using the built-in Windows Del. Start by right-clicking the file or folder and select Delete. If that doesn't work, you will see an error message. That's where the fun begins. Now let's use the command prompt. Windows plus R. Type in del. In the command prompt window, we're going to use a command called del for files and rmdir for folders. You need to type del space f space /q space file path. Now here in the file path you need to replace with the path to your file, for example file.txt, and simply press on enter. Now if still can't delete it, try booting into safe mode. Restart your computer and press F8 on some or Shift plus F8 on some systems. During startup, select safe mode and try deleting the file mode again. And that's it. You should now be able to delete those pesky files and folders.